that means this key high and this key high of the high of the uptrend and the high of the downtrend now act as supply levels. So if they manage to hold, I believe the euro, if it completes a BCD correction or a range and break it down, should open the doors for next wave to the downside. But there is an alternative scenario, as I said before, because the higher time frame is not completed cycle. What could happen here is that if the euro dollar managed to actually hold the supportive levels and start to rebuild its bullish structure by making sequence of higher highs, higher lows, places itself above the volume profile balance zone, that could be taken as a bullish signal. And in that case, we can expect the euro dollar pushing further on within this channel and climb finally to above the 120. So again, I give about 60-70% to the bearish one.